Welcome to the video. Before the part that I'm going to talk about and install today fell off my roof rack, I thought that would be kind of a funny thumbnail, is have it sitting on the roof rack. But anyways, today I got a part in from Kies Motorsports. Brian reached out to me and asked that I make this review for you guys and show you guys what he sent. We're gonna do that today, and I'm just excited because I've been watching Kies Motorsports since I bought this car. Like, Brian was the first F30 YouTuber that I ever found. He helped me do so much to this car. The first video I ever watched of his was doing the front kidney grills in a black wrap. I definitely did that on my old set, and it's just so cool to like now be kind of working with Brian, and it's really cool. Much respect. Thanks, dude. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what's in the box and we'll get this install started. All day, buddy. I've already opened it because I had to check some stuff out, make sure it was all good. We got a new carbon fiber CS style trunk spoiler. Super dope. Let me get it out of the plastic wrap and I'll show you what it really looks like. Here it is, guys. This looks so clean. This is like way cleaner than the one I have on there right now. This carbon fiber is like a nice gloss, and I even polished the one I have on there the other day and it's not even close to this nice. Damn. Even the underside looks a lot better than mine. Mine has like a lot of blemishes. Nice touch. Absolutely. Pretty much the easiest install you could possibly do on an F30. So I'll show you guys how we take off the old one and how we threw on the new one. Check this out. Brian also sent, we got a flight tag and a Kies Motorsports sticker. Hell yeah. Wow. Wouldn't this be a look? I just want to show you guys the difference. So this is the one that's currently on the car. This is the one that Brian sent. So the one I have is the M4 style. It has, I guess, a shorter part there. The CS is a little bit more elongated, goes a little bit higher and not so much out. If you look at it from the side, I think that is a little bit more obvious. These corners are a little bit more rounded. These are pretty sharp. These ones are really nice and rounded and kind of just flow with the whole carbon thing. The first thing to do is just going to be to get this one off, which we'll just be taking the hairdryer, the infamous pink hairdryer, heating all this up so we can loosen up the adhesive underneath and pull it off. Yeah, just as I was grabbing the extension cord, look what I found on the ground over there. It is the limited edition logo that I had taken off just because I was told that it's not an actual Honda badge. Someone actually just commented on like one of my super old videos saying that this badge, this is actually a real Honda Prelude badge. He says that his aunt had one and it is in fact kind of a rare Prelude. So if that's true, that's pretty dope, and I'm super stoked that I just found this, but I'm gonna have to do some more research. If anyone can confirm that there's a limited edition Prelude, let me know. That'd be sick. Cool. Here we go. Let's get this thing off. Nice stock OEM looking trunk. I can't even say that with a straight face. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up all these areas here because there's just a ton of tape residue and like already pollen. Here's another comparison of the two carbon fiber F30 lips. The one in the back is the M4 style and the one in the front is the Kies Motorsports CS style trunk lip. So you can definitely see the M4 style pinches a lot more in the middle and the CS is a little bit more widespread. The edges are very different, so like I was saying before, these are pretty sharp. The CS style is more rounded. I think it looks really good. Between the two, this one, definitely the carbon looks a little bit cleaner and it's actually more of a black, where this is more, I don't know, it's just kind of gray, and maybe that's the finish, but this one just looks really, really nice. I'm excited to get it on the back of the F30. Just pro tip for this, you can do a couple different things. I'm gonna just try all-purpose cleaner because this tape wasn't on there all that long. I don't think the residue is gonna be too bad. You can use Goo Gone, you can use rubbing alcohol, works really great. Or if you really want to, which I may end up doing anyways, is just take the polisher afterwards and polish it off, and it should take off any of the adhesive that's on there. So I'm gonna start with just some all-purpose cleaner and see if that works. That's how it came out. I mean, you can see a little line right there from the residue, and then right here you can see kind of a line. this looks really good. And no, it's not really necessary to go to that extent and polish it, but it's my car. I know it's there and I know it's underneath it, and I'd rather it be looking good than not. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up the tape on the new one, and then we can go ahead and put it on. Intermission, I have to go get more double-sided tape because I do not have nearly enough. So we're gonna take the Prelude and go do that, and then we'll get back to installing it. So see you guys in a sec. Boom, got it. All right, let's finish this up. Here it is all taped up. You can't see it too well because it's black tape, but I've got quite a few strips on here. Ideally, you want to do it in like 1 piece, 2 piece, and then that way when you install it, it's a lot easier. But I'm just gonna make this work, so let's go ahead and put it on the back of the F30. All right, the lip is on. That's how it looks. Similar to the old one, but the middle portion that's cut out is definitely a lot wider. And that wasn't too bad, actually. It's pretty centered for just eyeballing it. Normally, I would recommend putting like masking tape down and then peeling it slowly and then making sure it's all centered, but I kind of just had to eyeball this one. That looks really good. I'm stoked on it. Here's from this angle. You can see how much taller. It's like really more of a high kick compared to the other one, and it just molds a lot nicer around this edge too, which I really like. Very cool, very solid upgrade. I am actually gonna throw this on, and I didn't realize it, but there are 2 in here, so that's really cool. I'm gonna actually throw this on right here, I think, or nah, I kind of like it down there. That looks clean. So you got like the big one in the middle, 2 smaller ones on the ends. Yes, I dig that. Thank you, Brian. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. And for those of you that made it this far into the video, 1, thank you, I appreciate it. And 2, you get to participate if you want in the giveaway. So the old spoiler that I had, the M4 style carbon fiber spoiler trunk lip for the F30, I'm gonna be giving that away. So for that, I want you guys to go down in the comments. Well, first, make sure you're subscribed, because the winner, I'm gonna check, because I can do that, and see if you're subscribed. So make sure you're subscribed first. Second, make sure you like this video. And then third, go down in the comments and type "stay elevated" and 1 thing you really like about modding your F30. I think that would be good. So stay elevated, and then 1 thing you like about modding your F30. I'm gonna go and pick the winner probably in the next couple weeks, and then you guys pay for shipping because I'm not doing that, but you get the lip for free. So just to reiterate, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and then go down in the comments, stay elevated, so I know that you're trying to partake in the giveaway, and 1 thing you really like about modding your F30. Cool, yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, because someone's gonna be really lucky. It's pretty good. I mean, it's got some blemishes, like right here it's a little scratched, right here it's a little scratched, but I mean, you're getting a free carbon fiber spoiler, so I guess partake if you want. If you don't, that's chill. I want to give a huge shout out again to Brian from Kies Motorsports. Guys, if you need any F30 BMW parts, please go head over to his website. I'm going to put a link down below, and then I'll also link his channel at the end of this video so you guys can check him out. But I'm sure if you have found my videos on the F30, you have most definitely seen Brian. So thank you again, Kies Motorsports. Huge thank you. I appreciate it, and the F30 looks sick. So yeah, just really stoked. Hope to work with you guys again soon. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will definitely see you in the next video, and till then, have a good day. Enjoy your time. Happy modding. Peace out.